Alright guys, I filmed a video about a year ago talking about my experience with iodine drops. I had to do a 1-year update. Originally I started taking them because I had absolutely no energy after having that lovely thing that was circulating around the globe. I wanted to go over some of the most asked questions and also talk about what I've noticed and if I'm still using it. This is not medical advice. I am not a medical professional. I am not a doctor. I am just a person who bought a product because I was struggling with a thing and I feel like it helped me, and I am not alone. This is the bottle. It's Carlisle Lugols solution. This is the 2% bottle and this is the 2 ounce. They also have a 4 ounce bottle. It's 94% distilled water, 4% potassium iodide, and 2% iodine. It never affected me to put it in my coffee. I just did 4 drops, but then I did start switching because what kept happening is I would end up dumping out the end of my cup of coffee, and then I was afraid I was dumping it out. So I'm gonna do it on camera here in a second, show you the way that I do it now. I'm still using the original batch that I bought, which was 2 bottles, and that was over a year ago. There is no expiration date, and this product is made in the USA. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll link it down below, but I have 2 autoimmune disorders, which of course cause you to have low thyroid function, and iodine is supposed to be one of the things that helps the most with that. I used to put it in my coffee for like 9 months. I did that, and then people kept telling me it says for talisman use only, which I never even saw that. Some of the benefits that I have heard from my viewers, if you go and read the comments on the other video, things that they've said they've experienced improvement with. They don't have cold hands and feet anymore. Somebody said that it caused their chin hairs to stop growing. People were rubbing it on their sore muscles. Whatever works. I mean, this is just what actual people are saying that this has helped them with. So let me show you how I do it now, okay? And I would say if you're just starting out, this is probably the biggest question I get is how much do you use? I would say do 1 to 2 drops every other day and then see how you feel, and then go up to 3 or 4 drops a day if you feel like you can do that. Now I usually do about 3 or 4 drops every other day, and mostly that's just because I forget. And when I realize I've forgotten, I can tell because I start to get like sluggish, you know? Looks crazy guys, but just hold on a second. This is how I do it now. Sorry, I wish I had been more careful about. And then I just rub it in like this. And does it leave a stain? Yes, for a few minutes, but then it goes away. Hey, if you're new here, hi, my name is Raphaela. I create videos about affordable glow-up solutions for the over 40 squad, so that's health, beauty, and fashion for our age group. So you should subscribe and join the Starlet Squad. I'm really trying to grow this channel to 2K before St. Patty's Day. Plus, can be glow up girlies together. Biggest questions I get: 1, how do I take it? 2, how much do I take? 3, how long until I started seeing results? Okay, 1, I personally, at this point, okay, I will do 3 or 4 drops every other day. Sometimes I forget, so then I'll just try to catch up. But how long did it take me to start noticing results? It was a week or 2, and I didn't really notice results so much as I noticed, my kids actually noticed, I wasn't taking naps in the middle of the day, which I had started having to do after I had become sick with that, you know, menace that was running around the world. So I would say 1 or 2 weeks. Third question, how do I take it? I used to take it in my coffee, but now I just put it on the inside of my wrists. But if that bothers you, just put it in your coffee. Just drink all of your coffee. The reason I switched, and again, I know it says for talisman use only, but I did that for like 9 months with no problem. Well, here's what would happen. I'm doing it right now, okay? I would get to the bottom of my coffee, which has been sitting here for hours, and then I would dump that out. So I started realizing that like, oh, you're probably not even drinking that stuff. So that's when I started doing it here. Another question, does it have a smell? No, not really. Another question, does it stain? Yes, temporarily. Question that I get, are you still using it? Absolutely 100% every day that I remember, yes, I will use this product every day for the rest of my life because I can 100% feel a difference when I forget. I just feel it, so yeah. Have you guys ever used iodine drops? What was your experience? How much do you take? So if you are struggling with thyroid function, fatigue, I would say get that checked by your doctor if you're really genuinely worried about that. I had already done all that and nothing was working. I started reading about iodine, the connection between iodine and low thyroid function, so I picked this up and I started doing it. I would recommend do the same. Do a couple drops every other day, see how you feel. For $13 a bottle, which you will literally have for half a year or a year, it's definitely worth it to try it and see if it'll help you. So if you enjoy videos about health, beauty, fashion for the over 40 squad, subscribe and like the video so that other people in our age group can find it. If you're feeling super generous, share this video with a friend, and I'll see you beauty queens in the next one. Bye-bye.